The best natural home remedies to lose your belly fat. Part 1. Having lots of fat in the abdominal area is strongly linked to diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Belly fat is usually estimated by measuring the circumference around your waist. This can easily be done at home with a simple tape measure. Anything above 102 cm in men and 88 cm in women is known as abdominal obesity. There are a few proven strategies that have been shown to target the fat in the belly area more than other areas of the body. Lose belly fat with dandelion tea. Some of your belly fat is probably water retention. Dandelion herb can help with this. Dandelion is a natural diuretic, which means it makes you urinate more. This is good because it flushes our toxins and extra water from your body, especially from your belly. The best way to consume dandelion is in the form of tea. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion leaves. Let simmer for 10 minutes, then strain out the leaves. Squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the tea and add some honey for a sweetener. If you have blocked bile ducts or any gallbladder-related issues, avoid having dandelion tea, because it can cause more harm in those cases. Lose belly fat with cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has so many health benefits. Some of these benefits include relief from urinary tract infections, respiratory disorders, kidney stones, and even cancer and heart disease. It's also rich in organic acids, which have an emulsifying effect on the fat deposits in our body. Therefore, it is good for anyone who needs to lose belly weight. Mix 1/2 cup of 100% pure cranberry juice with 2 cups of water. Drink cranberry juice before each meal for best results. Lose belly fat with green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that do wonders for the body. Green tea improves brain function, memory, and aids in fat loss. It can even lower your risk of cancer. Green tea boosts your metabolism, which in turn helps you burn fat. Steep 1 green tea bag in a mug of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also throw some mint leaves in there while the tea is steeping. Add honey for a sweetener. It is best to drink green tea before meals. Lose belly fat with hot peppers. Spicy foods are great for fat loss, especially hot peppers. They boost your metabolism, which in turn helps you burn fat. Hot peppers contain a substance called capsaicin, which has thermogenic effects. It boosts your body's heat production, which means it also uses more energy and burns more calories. You can eat hot peppers raw, cooked, or dried. Habanero peppers have the most amount of capsaicin, but cayenne pepper is great too. You can add these peppers to your soups, stir-fries, and other dinner dishes. Lose belly fat with chia seeds. Chia seeds are an amazing way to get more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. If you are a vegetarian or vegan and don't eat fish, chia seeds are something you should be consuming. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants, calcium, iron, and lots of fiber too. They help keep you full longer. Try consuming at least 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day. You can easily add them to your smoothies, cereal, or oatmeal. Lose belly fat with coconut oil. Although coconut oil is a fat itself, it can still help you lose belly fat. It contains unique fatty acids that have a positive effect on your metabolism. The fat in coconut oil is used by your body as an energy source. Coconut oil is also thermogenic, so it helps your body burn fat. Studies have been done comparing different types of oil such as coconut oil compared to soybean oil. One group of women were given 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day, and the other group of women were given 2 tablespoons of soybean oil a day. They continued this study for a month. At the end of the month, both groups of women lost the same amount of weight, but the group that was taking coconut oil lost more weight circumference, and those who took soybean oil had an increase in belly fat. Do not add coconut oil to the oils that you already use. You should replace your cooking oils with coconut oil. Just have 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day for best results, more than that can hinder the results. Lose belly fat with ginger tea. Ginger is a natural digestive aid, so it helps with nausea and an upset stomach. Ginger is also thermogenic, meaning it increases your body's temperature to let it burn fat more efficiently. Ginger also suppresses the production of cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Stress causes weight gain, so ginger helps prevent this. Drinking ginger tea daily can really help with losing belly fat. The ingredients you need to make ginger tea is 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey or pure maple syrup, and the juice from 1/2 of a lemon. Put the water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Then add the ginger, and turn off the heat. Place the lid on the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Next, strain the tea into a mug, and add the lemon juice and sweetener, and mix. At night before bedtime is a great time to drink this tea. Lose belly fat through exercise. Exercise is a very important aspect of losing belly fat. You need to exercise your entire body, not just your belly. Make sure that you do cardio often to help burn calories, fat. A good cardio exercise would be running or jump rope. Don't forget to build muscle with strength training. The more muscle you build, the faster your metabolism will be, so you will burn more calories throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.